This is Dr. Garcia here. Today I want to discuss one of the most common procedures that we do for knees, specifically for ACL tears, better known in the veterinary world as CCL tears. So basically the CCL, ACL, its job is to actually prevent this motion, okay? When that, basically we're just gonna call it a rope. This is the femur bone, so we're looking at the knee like this, femur bone, tibia bone, okay? The rope is going from here to here, and it prevents this from happening. Once this happens, this tear happens, we have meniscus here, it starts getting impinged and everything, and that becomes very painful, aside from also the inflammation from the tear itself. So when we have this problem happening, okay, the procedure that we do for especially, big dogs, I can do them in dogs at least from 20 pounds and up, it's called a TPLO. So if you see this closely, there's basically a little bit of an inclination here, okay? What we do is a semicircular cut, okay? We do a cut here, okay? And then we rotate the top of the bone as so, okay? So now it's more flat compared to the bone itself. And when we try to do what I was doing previously, there's no longer that movement that we were showing prior. Okay. Once we have, so basically what it's doing is by changing that rotation of that plateau, that top of the tibia, it eliminates the necessity to have a cruciate. Okay. So it's as simple as that. Immediately we have that working well for us. The important thing to know is, since we did go ahead and do a bone cut, we need to do strict activity restriction for at least 8 weeks. That means outside only on leash, no running, no jumping, no playing with other dogs. Because those first 8 weeks, the only thing that's holding everything in place, specifically here, is that plate and screws, which can bend or break. So we gotta be very strict about activity restriction, okay? And of course, we're gonna have sutures that are gonna be placed for the first 10 to 14 days. And typically we give antibiotics for the first couple of days and pain medication.